Okay, so in this video we'll be showing you how we cut down 2 conifer trees at the back of one of our properties. So firstly, what the tree surgeons decided to do was take down the tree branch by branch until they got down to the main tree trunk itself, which they later taken down in small sections. So when we taken down one tree, this is how things looked.
You alright?
As you can see, the tree surgeon was using a petrol chainsaw to cut down the tree. So just a quick tip before you start to cut down your trees. First look online to see which time of the year you can actually cut down the trees. This is due to bird nesting seasons, which usually span from March to July.
That's so cool.